Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you still see it climbing slowly along the 9-day. It's still, for me, in a consolidation. We had a little bit of a band ride here that's flattened out. The bears are not doing anything to take this tape back. The first thing they would need to do would be to trade below the 9-day or below the weekly pivot, or basically below anything that really matters for longer than an intraday trade, and then stay there. They did. Your low yesterday was 24.25, not really remotely approaching the 27.18 weekly pivot. You get out on the hourly, and you can see that we did the gap up. It got back into the gap a little bit, but not much, and that was all it could do. So, you would have expected a move to weekly pivot early in the week. Hasn't happened. And now, we're back up into 37, 38, 39, looking to challenge yesterday's high up at 39.25 that we put in yesterday morning. Yesterday was a pretty tight tape. I mean, this is a day where effectively all the fun happened Sunday at between 6 o'clock and basically 6:05. And we spent the rest of the time mostly in as far as RTH goes, just kind of chopping around in here. And we ended RTH right about where we started, right in that 28 to 32 area. So again, this remains consolidation. You can see the hourly Bollinger Bands getting kind of tight. That suggests that we get a move here off the open. Up or down, but the way it's looking on the daily chart, with the inability to challenge weekly pivot, with the inability to challenge the 9-day, and this steady move above, and now 14, 15 sessions above the 9-day, that tends to be bullish. And on a move over 41, you have to be looking for 50. Could we chop it up again today? Sure, absolutely could. So you have to take what this market gives you. And it's not that it's a difficult tape to trade. It's a very difficult tape to keep your handles in if you want to overtrade it. I'll give you a perfect example. This guy right here had my day comfortably made. Was up 8, almost 10 handles. Did a couple of trades into the close, looking for an expansion out of something that didn't want to expand. Ended up giving the day back. So you got to be careful of that stuff. Everybody is going to make mistakes as a trader. People that don't, well, you got to wonder. That was my mistake yesterday. So what do? Well, we shake it off. It's a teachable moment, and it's about patience. It's about keeping what you have. It's about not worrying about missing a move, because any move that's going to be significant is going to run far enough and provide enough opportunities to get in that you can't be trying to play both sides of something that doesn't want to go anywhere. So, and when you do that, if you do it in a tape that's doing what it did yesterday, it will pick your pocket. It'll pick it in both directions, and that will be that. So it was a red day, not by much, but it was a green day, and it was a day done, and that's one of my big pet peeves about my trading. I never want to make a day, give it back. Certainly not make a day, give it back, and end up down like a handle, which is what I did yesterday. But hey, these things happen. So for today, I want to watch 32. I want to watch 34. If we get up over the top, then 40, 41's really got to convert. It's got to convert, and it's got to go seek 50. If not, then we're going to slip back into a range, and that range today, we could end up range bound between 32 and 42, certainly. And if that happens, then you want to be fading the top and the bottom of that range. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out with some stuff on social a little later on. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.